Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faywiz. For the new subscribers, thank you much for clicking. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my vlogs. And today I'm doing a motivational video. I'll be cleaning the whole house. I won't be doing like thorough cleaning, but I'll just be doing a motivational cleaning, just normal cleaning of the house. And then I'll also be showing you guys on how to use a washing machine, a manual washing machine. Yeah, welcome to the vlog. As I showed you previously in the house tour, it is a Von washing machine, 10 kgs, and we shall start by sorting out the clothes. We shall put colored clothes on one side, and then plain colors on one side, the towels and the bed sheet on one side. This is the towel and the bed sheet. This is the pipe. So I'll show you how to connect all the colored cloths, and then there are cloths that fade. Those ones that fade we shall put in one place. These are the white cloths over here. Clothes like this one do shade the color, so this one's on one side. These are sweaters over here, and the hoodies, the deras do fade, so I put them one side. These ones don't fade on one side. This one too don't fade. The white clothes on one side, white clothes, and then the jeans one side. This one do fade on the other side. This one don't fade. These are white socks. So guys, as you can see, this is the washing space and this is the rinsing space. You spin your clothes here and then they rinse. You go air them out for like 15 minutes, you're good to go. So guys, this washing machine comes with this pipe, but since this pipe is small, I can't connect it with the tap. So what I normally do, this side you connect here in the washing machine, and then I have a pipe over here. So this pipe, I use it to link the water from the tap to the pipe. So this is how I do it. This side I connect to the tap, and then this other side of the pipe I link with this one over here. Like this. So once I link like that, I'm going to open my tap water. So this washing machine is manual. It needs running water for you to use it swiftly. So what you're going to do, you're going to add washing powder. As we wait for the water to, my water will fill up to here, and then I close, I push close, and I start washing. So here, there is this knob over here at the drain. You are supposed to put it here normal, so that the water don't drain out. This is the wash timer and this is the spin timer. So for now we are going to use this once our water is full, and this other pipe is the water outlet. You're supposed to put it, and you're supposed to support it, because if you don't support it, the water will spill in the whole house and it will be messy. So like that. Let us here. It is Ariel. There is also a specific Ariel that you're supposed to use in the washing machine, but it is a bit expensive. So instead I use this one or Downy. Yeah. So we are going to this is my pair of scissors. Like that. You add a little omo. It's not a must for you to put all of it. You just put a small portion and then it will lather. So like that. So guys, as we are still adding water in the machine, I'll start by washing white cloths as I had sorted. These are my white cloths. I'll put them in the water. It's just like hand washing. You don't mix colored cloths with plain colors, especially white. You don't mix with other cloths when washing. These are my towels. As I told you, the washing machine is 10 kg, so it can wash multiple clothes. But if you want the clothes to wash well, don't put a lot of them once. So I think these clothes are too many. I still have enough space inside here. Let me show you guys, but I don't want to wash a lot of clothes once. It is here. You see, I'm still remaining with a lot of space, but I'm not going to. So we wait until our water is halfway full, and then I'll close. I start washing. So the water is halfway full and I want to start washing. So what I do, I put the timer to 15 minutes. As you can see, it is at 15 minutes. Once it rotates and clockwise to 0, 15 minutes are done, and then I rinse my clothes. So I'm going to show you the whole process. The clothes are here washing. Let us wait. In the meantime, when the clothes are still washing, I can mop the house. Guys, you're going to quickly make the bed. I'm going to put the pillowcase in the pillows. After that, I make the bed and then I mop the house. I like using 2 bed sheets, so I'll put this one inside and then the other bed sheet on top. I'm done with the bed. So we are going to mop as you wait for the clothes to finish washing, and then we rinse. So I'm cleaning the sitting room. Once I'm done, I'll rinse the clothes. So I'm done cleaning the sitting room, guys. So we want to go and recheck the clothes. We see where the process has reached. The clothes were in the dryer. Finished washing. I've washed my machine. This is the first batch of clothes, and this was the last batch. So let us wait for the next batch as we go and air them out. These are the clothes. As you can see, they are fully dried but just wet. I need to air them. For me, normally I finish washing the clothes that remove colors. So all these are clothes that remove colors. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let us meet in the next vlog. Bye bye.